Again, we're going to turn our machine on and we're going to make sure that our process completes. Conveyor will run, elevator goes down. When the conveyor stops, the elevator will go back and forth and back up. That's very important that it completes in that order. If it doesn't, the machine won't start. At that point, the conveyor is going to run. And any pizza trays that you have with your dough are going to stack in the tray. Okay, at that point, you should have, let's try making pepperoni pizza. We're going to push 2 and enter. We're going to pull our tray in, sauce it. Drop our cheese. And take our elevator down and over. Our elevator zeroes back out. And then we're ready again for another pizza. Let's make a combination again. 8, enter. Sauce. Cheese. Pepperoni. Second topping. First topping. Exit right into the elevator and back up. At that point, you can see the machine is fully functional, the elevator is functional, all of the compartments are working. We're going to go through and pull all these out so that you